If you're going to be sexy in a photo, you'd better be thinking about sex rather than about being sexy. Being sexy is kind of funny to me. Sexy in India is not considered positive, but with today's crop of fresh faces in the modeling arena, being sexy is an asset. Sex is a part of nature. I go along with nature. I have fun being sexy and tough at the same time. Being sexy is something inside, and not everybody has it. Being sexy is not about what's on show. It's all about suggestion or insinuation. I'm interested in the way a garment hangs on a woman's body and the way it moves when she moves. I have always believed that if you need to take your clothes off to get your man, you've begun to lose the battle. If you pull it off right, you can do it in a very classy way. Being sexy is about suggestion. It's about the tease. I find the whole concept of being sexy embarrassing and confusing. If I do an interview with photographs people desperately want to change me, dye my hair blonder, pluck my eyebrows. Then there's the choice of clothes. I know everyone wants a picture of me in a mini skirt, but that's not me. I feel uncomfortable. I'd never go out in a mini skirt. Personally, I don't actually think it's even that sexy. What's sexy about saying, "I'm here with my boobs out and a short skirt. Have a look at everything I've got"? My idea of sexy is that less is more. The less you reveal, the more people can wonder. There are sexual things that I do that aren't for a man. I feel empowered sometimes by being sexy and being comfortable enough to be sexy on camera. A lot of women struggle with that. But there are some days that I don't want anyone to see me. I'm just a regular girl. Some days I'm super strong. Some days I'm super insecure. But I don't really identify with any particular label. I just speak my truth, and if people like it, they like it, and if they bash it, they bash it.